Hello, good people, and welcome once more to Work and Philanthropy Foundation TV. Last time we talked about cylinders, and in today's lesson, we have targets, and these are by the end of the lesson, we should be able to calculate area of a cylinder closed on both ends, and lastly, we should be able to find the volume of a cylinder, or better still, to find the volume of water or liquid that a cylindrical container can hold. We are going to move to the third aspect, which of course is a cylinder that is closed on both ends. Picture some of the items you have around you that are closed on both ends. How do you find the total surface area? Let's move on. C. Surface area of a cylinder closed on both ends. The rule is simple. Just think of what we've done here. If it is closed on one end and this is the rule, then what will be the rule if it is closed on both ends? Let's look at it together. The rule states that find the area of the curved surface and add to the area of cross section times 2. Remember here, the cross section is only one that is closed, and in this case, there are both sides, that is 2 closed. And for that reason, you multiply the area of cross section by 2. And for short, you can write it as 2 pi radius height plus pi radius square times 2. Now let's apply this rule in this example. Find the surface area of a cylindrical can with radius 84 millimeters and the height is 140 millimeters. First of all, let's identify the different aspects in the rule. Then we can do the multiplication as necessary. First thing is pi, which is equal to 22/7. We need radius, and in this case is 84 millimeters. We need height, and in this case it is 140 millimeters. Now let's substitute this in the rule and do the simplification as usual. Therefore, surface area will be equal to 2 pi radius height plus pi radius square times 2. Let's substitute 2/1 times pi 22/7 times radius, in this case is 84/1, and height is 140/1. This is on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have pi, which is 22/7 times radius, which is 84/1 times radius again 84/1 times 2/1 on the right hand side. Let's simplify. 7 here one time, 7 into 14 2 times into 0 0. 7 here one time, 7 into 8 1 remainder 1, 7 into 14 2. So let's multiply normally. 2 times 22 times 84 times 20 will give a total of 73,920 plus 22 times 12 times 84 times 2 will give us a total of 44,352. And if you add this together, it's going to give us a total of 118,272 centimeters square. This is the case where the cylinder is covered on both ends and you're asked to calculate the total surface area. This is what is going to give us as far as the answer is concerned. Now we're moving to the last aspect, and which is the volume of a cylinder. How do we calculate the volume of a cylinder? Stay calm and watch. To find the volume of a cylinder, it's very simple. Now let's look at the rule. The rule states that find the area of the cross section and multiply by height. So in this case, cross section, as we know, is the circular end, is pi radius square, and you multiply that by height, is going to give us the volume of a cylindrical container. Now let's apply this example and look at it carefully, because it's talking about the volume of water that is contained in a tank. Follow up closely and see how you can apply this rule to calculate the volume of water in a tank. Now let's look at this example together. The inner measurement of a cylindrical sewer is 10 meters deep with a radius of 14 meters. what volume of water can it hold in liters? Take note of this. At the end, we have to convert our answer from cubic meters to liters. So take note of that. Now, what do we need here? As far as the rule is concerned, we need pi, and pi is 22/7. We need radius, which in this case is 14 meters. And we need the height, which in this case is expressed as the depth. So height in this case is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, volume will be equal to pi radius square times height. And if we are to substitute, this will be 22/7 times the radius, which is 14/1, times radius again, 14/1, times the height, which is 10/1. 7 here 1 time, 7 here 2 times. 22 times 2 times 14 times 10 is going to give us a total of 6,160 cubic meters of water. Take note, 6,160 cubic meters. But we are asked to express our answer in liters. So how many liters are there in this? Therefore, water in liters will be equal to 6,160 times 1,000. And this will give us a total of 6,160,000 liters of water. This is what we had for you today, and we believe you've learned something great. If you did, consider giving us a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comment section so that we can improve on the service. Don't forget to link up with us in the project for this year. Follow the link in the description for this project, as well as do well to contact us so that together we can assist some of the underprivileged learners in local communities. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson, as we are going to be delving into pyramids. Don't miss this lesson. Until then, it is goodbye from us.